Here is the response to question number 8. The question has given a diagram or the figure which has A, B, C, a triangle which has been divided into two right triangles. The important part in this question is to note that the figure not drawn to scale. What does it mean? That when you look at closely in this question, they gave this angle ABD and angle DAB. Both of them are the congruent angle. The value is X, both of them. But when you look at this, it doesn't look like they are congruent. One is greater than the other one. So that is one reason the SAT always mention that the figure is not drawn to scale, and one has to be very careful. If they say so, then you should not go by the figure. You must go by the instructions given. Anyway, in this question, they are asking you to find the value, the measure of angle Z. How much is that equal to? So let us work it out. In order to understand the question and to get the answer without any problem, I am going to have a different approach. I'm going to have these two triangles. I will split them and I will have them separated now like this. In here it is given that BAD is given as 8, so I am going to use this is given as 8, so these, because this is a 45, this is 90 degree, and these two angles are same, so this is the case of 45. This is a special right triangle, 45 and 90 degree triangle, and because these two angles are same, we can also call this as a isosceles right triangle. So in here, if this side is given as 8, then this side is also going to be 8. So the two legs are same as 8. Now using this information to the pink triangle, it says BD, or we found BD is 8, and it is given that DC is 8 square root 3. And I know the other special right triangle, which is 30, 60 and 90 degree. It is very important for SAT. One must have enough practice using these two special right triangles. That helps to answer the question in the least possible time when you are taking SAT exam. And I have noticed that more or less every test there is at least one, if not more, question based on this strategy. So it is very important that one should have enough practice using these two special right triangles. Now in 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, the ratio of the sides is given as, if the leg, which is the smallest leg, is X, which is opposite to 30 degree, then the leg across the 60-degree is x square root 3, and the longest side, which is also known as hypotenuse, is twice the length of the smallest leg, which is 2x. So this is the ratio. So now in this question, they said the 8 is the smallest side, the next side is 8 square root 3. Obviously this is going to be 16, but we don't have to really find out this, because this information is not being asked in the question. But yes, so the side opposite to 30-degree is 8, or 8 is the side opposite to 30-degree, and I see 8 is opposite to angle Z. So that means this angle must be 30-degree, and obviously this one is going to be opposite to this side must be 60-degree, and we know this one is 90-degree, which is given here. So the answer for this question, the angle, the measure of angle Z is going to be 30-degree, which is choice D. I hope you understand the solution and the question. Let me reset my the screw triangle back to the original position.